Hey everyone, this is Poonam Bachao. Welcome back to Poonam's Annapurna Kitchen. My today's recipe is stuffed bell peppers, an appealing, wholesome, super delicious vegetarian dish using the colorful bell peppers. Here, thickly sliced bell peppers are stuffed with a flavorful filling of seasoned rice, veggies and Indian cottage cheese or paneer. With a creamy, cheesy topping, these stuffed bell peppers can be further grilled or roasted on a skillet over stove top. I'll be sharing both the methods. You can enjoy these colorful stuffed bell peppers as a snack or serve it as a party starter or a side dish. For me, it makes a hearty, wholesome meal on weekends. So let's get started. Before we move ahead, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe it for more such healthy and delicious recipes. Also click on the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. You can find a list of ingredients in the description box as well. To make vegetarian stuffed bell peppers, you will need 3 medium-sized colorful bell peppers, half cup cooked rice, you may use white or brown rice, half cup boiled potatoes, peeled and grated, 1/4 cup crumbled Indian cottage cheese or paneer, 4 to 5 processed cheese cubes, 1 large onion finely chopped, 1/4 cup fresh or frozen sweet corn and green peas, 1 tablespoon oil, chili flakes, black pepper and salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon ginger, garlic and green chili paste. You can adjust this amount as per your spice tolerance. We will also add few fresh mint leaves. To begin making stuffed bell peppers, we have rinsed and pat dried the bell peppers. Now we will chop the bell peppers into thick slices. The slices should be thick enough for us to stuff the filling. We will cut the tops and clean out the seeds and membrane. It is said that colors have healing powers and the colors we choose in our food is no exception. Also, adding colors to our palate is the best way to brighten up our mood. Including colored bell peppers or capsicum in our meals is one of the easiest ways to add both color and nutrition. Bell peppers are a rich source of antioxidants, vitamin A and vitamin C. They are also a significant source of iron, vitamin B6, protein and dietary fiber. We'll also chop the pepper tops into 1/4 inch pieces so that we do not waste any part of this superfood. We'll be using it in our stuffing. In a pan, heat oil on medium flame and add ginger, garlic and green chili paste to it. Stir fry it to get rid of the raw taste of garlic and ginger. Next, add finely chopped onions and saute it until it turns translucent. Now we will add green peas, sweet corn and the finely chopped bell peppers and stir fry the veggies for another 1 to 2 minutes. Here you can add more veggies or even cooked beans of your choice to make it more healthy and filling. We'll season the veggies with some salt, a pinch of turmeric powder for color. You may also add red chili powder. Now we will add our cooked rice. We will stir fry the rice with veggies for another 1 to 2 minutes before we add in our paneer and boiled potatoes. Now we will mix all the ingredients very well and stir fry it and keep it mashing with the back of the spoon. You can even use a potato masher as we want all the veggies to bind well with the mixture so that it doesn't come out from our bell pepper rings. I have used chili flakes and chopped mint leaves to flavor the mixture. You can use any spice powder. Now take a greased baking pan and arrange the bell pepper rings onto it. Now fill each bell pepper ring with enough mixture and press it with a spoon so that the stuffing doesn't fall apart. Here we have stuffed all the bell pepper rings with our filling. If using whole bell peppers, first microwave it over high heat for 4 to 5 minutes or until it turns a bit soft. Then fill it with the stuffing. Now to make this stuffed bell peppers all the more delectable, we will top it with grated cheese. For a vegan version, you may substitute the paneer with tofu and dairy cheese with a plant-based cheese. Now we will grill the stuffed bell peppers for 10 to 12 minutes. You can sprinkle some chili flakes and mixed herbs in the last 1 to 2 minutes of grilling. To roast the stuffed bell peppers over stove top, we will heat a skillet or frying pan over medium heat. Drizzle some oil and place the stuffed bell peppers over it. Do not overcrowd the skillet or tawa. Cook the stuffed bell peppers uncovered until they turn golden brown. Flip it carefully and then top it with grated cheese, chili flakes, black pepper powder, oregano or any other herb of your choice. Allow it to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Our grilled stuffed bell peppers are also out of the oven. Doesn't it look super tempting? Our healthy and delicious stuffed bell peppers are ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback with us in the comment section below. If you are new to this channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. For more recipes, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can find the links in the description box below. See you next time with yet another healthy and delicious creation from my kitchen. Until then, stay safe and eat right. Bye-bye.